Hello guys, I'm Essaf and today I'm gonna speak about the birds. Birds have heads and they flying and they have body and nose and they have a mouth and feathers, and the feathers are colorful and they're so cute, and we feed them, and super cute, and they're walking, flying everywhere. We're standing, look at them, and they're so cute. And I wish I can touch them, but we touched them, and my sister touched them. And my mom said, "Don't touch them again." Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.